soon, skewing your risk reward, you're going to have to be a very, very high percentage trader to consistently make money. You're going to have to at least be winning, what, probably 75% of the time? 80?
An inverted risk reward like that, you're going to have to be an 80 to 90% trader. You have to win 80 to 90% of the time to pay for the losses. Because remember, you're only taking off typically, well, if you take off half your position, yeah, you have to win 80, 90% of the time.
Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't win 80, 90% of the time. I don't know a lot of I don't know if I know any traders that win that much.
I'm sure there may be guys out there who do that, but I've never met a 90% trader. Just never have.
So the key is, whenever you're taking profits early, you're for lack of a better term, you're screwing yourself on your risk reward. But if you're able to level it like this, your target 1 is there. Your target 2 is up here. You just don't have to win as much. And you can literally be a 50% trader and still be very profitable. I mean, ask my live room members. You know, I'm about a little above 50% in the live room, and we did 42% change in equity last year. We're up 35 this year, off of a little over 50% trading. Why? Because we managed this risk and reward. So again, we're off on a subject we kind of got into it that we didn't plan on covering, but yeah.
Just because I don't want the questions start to boil up as we start talking about strategy, and I want to leave that until we move into the next couple of days and we start to build on it. But we're over by about a half hour today. I'm trying to keep you guys about 3 hours a day, but I've never done that presentation before that you guys got this morning, and so it ran a little bit longer than I thought. But here's what we want to do. The question is what do you need to do tonight before you come back tomorrow? Yes? Okay. The first thing that I want you to do is I want you to go out and I want you to start running through the swing high, swing low stuff that Akil was teaching today. New structure high, new structure low, outside return, lower low. New structure low. I don't care what chart you use, I don't care what time frame, I don't care what market you go to, pick anything. And just start running through and drawing it so that you can start building that reticular activating system in your brain, okay? The second thing that I want you to do is if you go down to the Documents tab, in the bottom right-hand corner of your little browser here, you're going to see a Documents tab. When you click on that, it's going to open up a window and you're going to see 3 little links in there. One's to Jason's YouTube page, one's to Akil's YouTube page, and one's to Beating the Odds. Everybody see that? Go there right now. Once you've got it, say yes. All right, perfect. What I want you to do, the requirement today is to listen to the Beating the Odds audio program that I put together for you guys. It takes about an hour to go through it. It's not very long. You can, the link will give you the ability to listen online or to download it if you want to put it on your MP3 player or whatever. But listen to that audio recording, okay? And then if you would like, both Akil and I have YouTube pages with a wealth of information on them. If you're really like gung-ho after today and you want to go start seeing in more detail, you can go to those YouTube pages and just subscribe to the YouTube page. It's one of the best ways to get free stuff from us whenever we do it. And basically anybody who's doing anything with us is a subscriber to the YouTube page or has been in the past, okay? And it's in the bottom right-hand corner. Everybody can get to it. If you can't get to it, it's because you're not looking. Document tab, bottom right-hand corner of the screen there says Documents, and when you click on it, it pops up. Okay? So do those 3 things. Subscribe to the YouTube pages, listen to the audio recording, and then spend about 20 minutes running through and doing new structure high, new structure low stuff. Okay? Any questions on that? The audio recording is Beating the Odds. Okay. Now, guys, here's what's going to happen. We're going to take another little break here. The trading day is done. we're done with the training for today. Akil and I will hang out for a little bit and kind of chit-chat with you guys and, kind of talk a little bit about trading, just kind of hang out with you guys so you guys kind of get to know us on a more personal level. You are welcome to stay, but if you have to go, if you've been like burning the midnight oil in Australia right now and you're like deprived of sleep to be here, understand that you're not really going to miss anything by hanging out. But you guys are welcome to stay. We'll take a little break. I'll turn the video back on here, and then we'll come back in.